Hi.
Hey. What's up?
Yep, that's right. This is Ash versus Evil Dead. This is the series you come out with after the movies on Stars. On the back it says, quote, Ash versus Evil Dead, unquote, follows Ash, the stock boy, Agent Lothario, and chainsaw-handed monster hunter who has spent the last 30 years avoiding responsibility, maturity, and the terrors of the Evil Dead. When a deadite plague threatens to destroy all of mankind, Ash is finally forced to face his demons. Personal and literal. Destiny, it turns out, has no plans to release the unlikely hero from its evil grip.
Oh God, I'm in the butt.
See it. That's on the inside. I don't have a viewfinder yet, so I can't tell if I'm focused on it or not. I'm sorry. I'm working on getting one, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
I think I can do it with my laptop. Just gotta figure it out. Alright, sorry about all that. Clip. 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 Come on. Clip. Clip. Okay. So he's got this picture of his car. Why? There's a picture of his car. You got me. I don't know. But that's his car. I hope that's focused. Then you got extra piece of sleeve, I'm guessing, for a stub hand, which is this. That's supposed to be a stub hand. I'm guessing that's gonna go or something like this. Probably. Goes together something like that to make a stump hand when you take the chainsaw off. He's also got, this is a wood hand. I don't know if you can see the wood grain or not, but it's a wood hand. Call it the power glove. Gotta have the boomstick.
Yeah. All right, you primitive screwheads, listen up. See this? This is my boomstick. It's a 12-gauge double-barreled Remington. S-Mart's top of the line. Shop smart. Shop S-Mart.
Oh, boomstick double barrel. He's got that head. He's got this head. He's got this head. And then you got Ash himself. He's pretty dope. I like him. He's pretty sick. I like all the Evil Deads and Army of Darknesses and all that. So that's your boy. Tell me what y'all think. Don't forget to go down there and press like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Love you.